It's your boy, Tino_2.0. And man, I had a long week, y'all. So, I don't know if I said in the last video, we getting the music done by CCA on May 7th. May 7th, we dropping the car off to get the music done. Pioneer Double Den, finally found the Double Den kit for the Taiwan since it's not on YouTube. I'm the only one with a Double Den in the Taiwan, yeah, as I know of. And then on top of that, what else? We got the radio, Epic. I'm gonna show y'all everything unboxing. Well, even though I opened the box, but showing y'all everything I had grabbed. And we're gonna be decent. But yeah, like I was saying, so the Resilient Sounds, I ordered 2 dual tubes. Not thinking you only could wire dual 2 subs to either 2 ohm, which is half power, or 0.5. Stetsom amp is 3K at 1 ohm. Can't wire it up under 1 ohm because I most likely was gonna void the warranty and burn the crap out the amp. So had to take the loss, sell them, and then I went and grabbed. I know y'all gonna say it's probably a downgrade and all that crap, but I got 2 Skar EVL 15 dual 4s. Now I can wire the 2 dual 4 subs down to 1 ohm, and I'm good. I can wire them to 1 ohm, get all the power from my amp. And I'm gonna go ahead, turn this camera back on so I can show y'all what I got. Alright, so here's the unboxing. Yeah, it's crazy that we had to, you know, do a little switcheroo, but let me, hold on, turn this camera back on. Finally, y'all, so this is what we got. 2 EVL 15 dual 4s. Y'all know, yeah, if y'all want to read the specs, y'all know, y'all can just pause this. But yeah, so where that key go again? Hold on, gang, because I'm over trying to work with this one hand. It's gonna be the first opening for both of us. I never ran EVLs, never seen an EVL. So, just like we did with the Resilient Sounds, we finna bust all this down. Obviously, come with the Skar sticker, Skar manual. Yeah, these wrapped up nice. I appreciate that. And here go the sub. But now, let me try to get this out the box for you guys. Alright, yeah, so one thing I noticed is obviously it's way smaller than the Resilient Sound. So hopefully this worked out better in that box because the other box was not built to spec. This was, the box I got was built for the, what was it, Skar Fsx. So hopefully these work out in there. But y'all see the push tensile leads, push terminals, man, look like a pretty decent sub. I'd have ran Skar before in my old car, but let's see what's to these. Alright guys, so y'all can tell me if I'm wrong, but I ain't never seen a Volkswagen Taiwan with a Double Den. And if you get a Volkswagen Taiwan, you can use this code. I went to what was it? Forgot the name of the website. It's car something. But it comes with a single den, double den kit. So whichever one you want to do. And then, okay, before we go to the rest of that box, we'll talk about this, because this goes with this. We got the Pioneer AVH G225BT. It comes with the USB thing, so I'll be able to buy me a flash drive, load it with music and stuff. Y'all know what a radio look like. Also, y'all know I got the Stetsom 3K that'll be running both of the, I almost said plats, because y'all know I miss my plats. There's gonna be power in the EVL. And then you ain't got a system if you ain't got this. Yeah, man. So crazy working on one hand. We're gonna be having a. Hey, look, don't be scared to buy used things off Amazon. Cause they definitely gave me a used option to save me like 40 bucks. And the only thing is, I guess it was like an open box or some crap. But yeah, we running we got the Epic with the slicer plate. We get, I don't know, so like I said, we running 2 of these dual 4 EVLs. Pioneer head unit, Epic Center. One thing we missing is the battery. I had almost ordered the wrong battery. I'm running a one AGM. What was it? Energy PR 1600. Yeah, so we running the PR. We was gonna run the PR 1600, but eventually I'm gonna be adding the 4-channel to the door speakers. I'm gonna probably have to postpone dropping this video because I'm waiting on the door speakers to get delivered. So we just gonna most likely just resume after this clip the opening the box of the Fsx 6.5s, and we're gonna see what those do with, you know, stock head unit power. Well, you know, the Pioneer head unit power. And yeah, we're at the 4-channel, probably, I'm thinking probably the 1,000 watt, I'm saying so much. The, the 1,600, I mean, not 1,600, 1,000 watt, damn, I keep saying, the 1,000 watt Skar amp. I don't know why the heck I keep saying, I was gonna say audio pipe amp. I don't know why. That's what kept making me say, So yeah, we got the two EVLs, Epic Center, Stetsom 3K, Pioneer double den, and you see, most of my guys don't watch my channel, so I can say it. But Central Car Audio doing the music, and yeah, we finna test something up in this Volkswagen, cause the roof thin. I think I'm gonna need more sound deadening through the roof than either of these side panels. Now they all like, he said he was doing 215s. Well, that's SDI 10. Side, we got the Skar Fsx 6.5s. Pro Audio 6.5 Fsx's 4 ohms. It comes with, obviously, user manual, Skar sticker. Package super nice. Box was kind of heavy before these, but let's see. Alright. So, from the, alright, little nice paper cone. Magnet, definitely got some weight. Single tensile leads. Let me see what it says. 300 watts max, 150 RMS. You got some decent weight though, guys. Definitely can't complain about that. Steel basket. Man, I just seen a couple of videos where these things get loud. But at the moment, since this is a budget channel kinda, we definitely gonna run these off the stock head unit for a little bit, just to break them in. And then we're gonna do a Skar RP 75.4. Or either the Skar, what is it? No, it's not 500 point nothing. The Skar 4-channel 1,000 watt. So yeah, but we're gonna definitely run 4 of these with the 2 EVLs. I think it should be a decent combo. It's funny because we've been doing the resilient sound build, and it definitely turned to a Skar build. Which if it was a Skar build from the get-go, we would have saved a lot of money. But it's all good. It's no shame in the game, or whatever you want to call it. But there's definitely some pretty nice speakers.